Okay, select the language, click next, install now. I don't have a product key, or if you have a product key you can enter it here, or you can enter it after when your Windows is installed. Now you need to select the operating system you want to install. If you selected both when you made your flash drive, here in the architecture category, you will see both 64 and 32-bit. You will just need to scroll up or down. Okay, we will use Windows 10 Pro because this is what I'm using. Click next. I accept. I also encourage you to read the license terms. Click next. You need to click custom. Okay, this is my SSD which I'm trying to install it on. Click delete. Okay. You will now have unallocated space. Click new. I encourage you to make at least two partitions. The one where the Windows will be 100 GB and the other one for downloads and documents. 1024 times 100. Click apply. Okay. Good. Now click next. Now I will skip ahead. Okay, and it's done.